What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to do something completely different than I've done in the past, all right? And so what I want to do in today's video, first off, I'm going to give you the tool that I use, absolutely free tool that I use to start like a new business idea. Now, this new business idea I started a few months back, but in the first 30 days, I ended up making $13,840, okay, in 30 days, selling this product right here. It's a squeegee. I sold a squeegee and I made over $13,000. Now, granted, that wasn't all profit, okay? I'm going to be 100% transparent right here. The profit on these, so I ended up picking this up for $1.24 and I'm selling it for $4.99. I ended up making about $10,398, give or take some cents. And all this was free, okay? All this was free. I didn't have to pay to learn and I didn't have to pay to run ads. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So one of the questions I always get from people, and what led me to starting this business was, okay, that's great. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do marketing, or I'm not good with Instagram, or I can't sell a physical product. I just don't have the knowledge. Well, then I started thinking, what would happen if I didn't have all the skills and the tools and the money and stuff that I have now? What would I do if I had absolutely nothing? And so I came upon this right here. Now, you may have seen this, maybe not. If you've not gone through this, I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go check it out. Now, it's absolutely free. So if you don't know who this guy is, his name's Russell Brunson. He's the creator and founder of ClickFunnels, which is a software. Now, he put something out that says, you suddenly lose everything. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? Well, that's exactly what I did. And I wanted to see, could I make money doing something completely different than what I was doing right now? And I was able to do that. Now, you can come and watch this video and you can click to register. And what you get is you get 30 days worth of interviews from people that have actually made over $1 million selling different products and stuff. Now, so I'm gonna pretty much tell you exactly what I did. So you can see all the people that are going to be interviewed, and you can see them down here. This is Dream Team, all these people. So what I did is I took 2 of these people's interview. I took Trey Llewellyn. You can see him right here. He sells physical products. And I took Jeremy McGilvery. Here he is right here. And I took what he had to say about Instagram. So I took both their interviews, kind of put them together, compiled some information, and I built a business plan which was able to get me from zero, absolutely no sales, to having a product, to having the platform to sell this product, and selling over $13,000 worth of this product in only 30 days. And again, it cost me absolutely nothing. So what I have to tell you is, first, go and sign up for that free 30-day class. It's just free training. You get 30 days worth of interviews, and you're going to learn a lot of stuff. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time to go through the interviews. It's very simple, and you pick and choose which ones you like and kind of start a business from there. So if you have ever been on the fence about starting an online business, or you just don't know what kind of business you could run, what goes into that type of business, or how do I start from zero, from nothing? You need this. This is something for you, okay? It's exactly what it says. If I lost everything, what would I do from day 1 to day 30 to bring it all back, to get my life back on track, to start paying those bills again? What would I do? You need to go through this. I guarantee you, you're going to learn something that you have not already learned before just by doing this. Now, so what did I do? How did I sell this? Okay, let's talk about that. So first off, how I made $13,840. What did I do? The first thing I did was I created a new Instagram account. Like I said, I learned, after listening to Jeremy's interview, I thought Instagram would be a great platform. Why? Number 1, it's free. And anybody can use it. Everybody has an Instagram account. So why not start there? That's what I did. Next thing I did is I found an easy niche. I'm not going to tell you the niche. And no, it's not squeegees. That is not the niche. This is a product. This is a byproduct of that niche. It is a product that is serving people inside that niche, and it's serving them very well. It's a $5 product that made me over $13,000. Okay? So obviously it's working. Next thing I did is start building my page. I created a name. I did some pictures, I put up a bio, and I added a link to this page where they could go and buy this product, okay? Once I did that, I posted 3 times a day. The reason why I posted 3 times a day, Jeremy's advice was post often. Post often, post often. Now, the reason why I post it often is because he said to. I am not an expert in Instagram. I can do Instagram very well. I do it for a lot of my clients, but I don't think I am an expert. So I went to an expert, and he pretty much explained what you should do, what he would do if he lost everything, had 30 days to bring it all back. Next thing is I utilize Instagram engagement groups. Now, this is something, he kind of mentions, and if you listen to some of his other stuff outside of the interviews, this is something that he has mentioned multiple times, and a lot of experts recommend this, is to use Instagram engagement groups in the initial stages of building your Instagram page. The reason why is because it will help you get there faster. Again, I only had 30 days, and I wanted to see how fast and how far I could go, and I was able to do that. I got 2,200 followers in 7 days. Now, it was 2,200, give or take. I think it was a little bit under 2,200, but I rounded up 2,200 followers in 7 days. It took me 24 days to get to 10,000 followers. And what I did was I sold this physical product through drop shipping. So this is a product that obviously I purchased myself, and I wanted to test the product. It's a good product, and it works on glass. Okay. But I wanted to see, was this a good enough product that I could drop ship it, and I didn't have to worry about any returns. This was, okay? I've never got a return on this product. Now, let me give you some tips, okay? First off, don't think you know it all, okay? That was my biggest mistake, and that's something that I want to really address, because I think so many people struggle with. They think they know it all. Now, when it comes to online business, do I know quite a bit? I think I do. Do I know a lot about Instagram? I think I do. Do I know a lot about drop shipping? Yes, I do. Am I an expert on any of those things? Internet marketing. Okay, am I an expert? I don't think so. Okay, there's still stuff I should learn. Am I an expert on Instagram? No, I'm not. That's why I went to an expert. Am I an expert on drop shipping and selling physical products? No, I'm not. Number one reason why is I don't sell a lot of physical products. I sell a lot of digital products here on the internet. So I went to somebody that knew more about physical products. And that is why I do not think I know it all. Okay, so that's my number one tip. Second thing, be open to trying new things. And that's exactly what I did. What so many people tell me is that, they don't know about Instagram. Okay, fine. Learn about it. They don't know about physical products. That's okay. Learn about it. Okay? I went to other people, and I figured, okay, they're going to be the ones that are going to teach me how to do things, because I was an expert. The next thing was, I knew, okay, that I needed to try something different. And I was going to try something different. I just didn't know what. Okay? So that's why I got into this space. Okay? Let me show you something. Okay? I'm going to be, look at this. Okay? This is exactly where I bought the products. From AliExpress.com. Now, you can go and you can follow the same footsteps. But again, I highly recommend you go and register for this 30-day training. Again, it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a thing. And 30 days in, you can already have an idea. You can have a business. You can have everything up and running, you making some money. But this is the product, just a glass squeegee, and I got it off AliExpress. I paid $1.24 for each one of these, sold them for $4.99, and it's $1.24 with free shipping. Sold them for $4.99, ended up making over $10,000. It was like $10,398, give or take some cents. So I ended up making some money. And all this happened because I tried something new. I went and I took this 30-day challenge, okay? That's what it is. It's a 30-day challenge right here, okay? 30 days of interviews. You can go get it, free access, right? Click on like I said, I'll put a link down in the description box below. Go check it out. But he pretty much asked all his friends that are part of the 2 Comma Club, which means they've made $1 million or more through a funnel, okay? Through ClickFunnels. They've made over $1 million, whether it's selling products, selling courses, selling services, selling coaching, whatever it was. They've made over $1 million. And he asked them, if you lost everything, what would you do? And so that is what I did differently. Is I didn't think I knew it all, and then I wasn't afraid to try something new. And this was my something new. Is I listened to other people, outside influencers, and to see what would they do. How would they recoup their money? How would they get their life back on track? What would they do, and how would they do it? And that's what I did. So if you're struggling to make any money, and it doesn't matter if you're struggling to make $10,000 or $1,000. If you're struggling to figure out your business or your identity in this online niche, in this online world, okay, you need to go through this course. Or it's not really a course, it's just a training, okay? I don't know why I call it a course, but it's just a training, a free 30-day training. You see 30 interviews from some of these, great minds that are experts in their fields, and you get to take what they know, what they've learned, and what their experiences are, and you can benefit from them just by watching these interviews. So, if nothing else, okay, I'm not saying go start a new business today. If nothing else, register for this. Start watching the videos. It's absolutely free. Like I said, absolutely free. Go and start watching the videos, because it's not going to be long before you come up with your next business idea. Something that you are not just pushed into from some random person on the street, but you are kind of influenced into it because there's an expert that has made a lot of money doing that exact same thing. And that's exactly what they would do and restart their life with, is that one business idea. So if anything else, nothing else you do today, just go and sign up and start watching these videos. I guarantee you're going to learn something. Maybe it's not how to be the next biggest influencer on Instagram, or maybe it's not how to run, ads on Facebook, but you're going to come up with a new business idea, something fresh, something innovative, something that's going to change your life forever. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is just my take on, are you going to make $13,000 in the next 30 days by selling a product just like I did? I have no idea. I hope so. But again, this is just my take. This was my journey. Okay. This is what I did. This was my goal, is to see, could I make that money? And I did. So if you guys have any questions on the 30 days worth of interviews, you can always ask a question down in the comment section below. If you have any advice on, maybe you've taken this and it was great for you and you learned something new, put the advice, put the tips down in the description or the comment section below. Let other people know. It's a great thing to get into. Just listen to other people and just think about, okay, what did they do and what would they do if they had to start all over? And what could you do yourself, all right? But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.